Next, we will discuss exercise 2.5, question number 1. In question number 1, here given, use suitable identities to find the following product. We will take question number 1. Here, use suitable identities to find the following products. Question number 1 here given, x plus 4 into x plus 10. We know the identity. Here, x plus a into x plus b. This one means what? X square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. That's why here we can write x square plus a means 4, b means a means 4 and b means 10 into x plus a into b means 4 into 10. Next, this one simplify. X square 4 plus 10 is equal to 14x plus 40. That's why when we find the product, we find the product is equal to this one. This is our answer. Next, we will take question number 3. In question number 3, here given 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5. In place of x, here given 3x, and we have already discussed x plus a into x minus b. Then what happened? X square plus a minus b into x minus a into b. That means here x square means 3x whole square. Then plus a 4 minus 5 a minus b into x minus 4 into 5. Now 3x whole square means 3 square means 9x square. 4 minus 5 means minus 1x, means directly we can write minus x. Minus 4 into 5 is equal to minus 20. That's why our answer will be this one. Next, we will take question number 4. In question number 4, here given y square plus 3 by 2 and y square minus 3 by 2. Here a plus b into a minus b. We know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to what? A square minus b square. Here a means y square, b means 3 by 2. That's why y square square minus b square means b means 3 by 2 whole square. Now we know that a to the power m whole thing to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. That means here y to the power 2 into 2 means 4 and minus 3 square means 9, 2 square means 4. That's why our answer is equal to y to the power 4 minus 9 by 2. Here I have done question number 1, then 3, then 4. 2 and 4 you can do as a homework. Now question number 2. In question number 2, here given, evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. Here product of two numbers are given. We have to multiply, but we can't multiply directly. We have to use our identities. Now this one 103 into 107. This one we can write 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7. That's why in this sum we can use x plus a into x plus b. That's why here x plus a into x plus b. This one means what? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This one identity we can use in this sum. Here x means 100, that's why 100 whole square plus a means here 3, b means 7. That's why a plus b 3 plus 7 into x, means here x means 100, plus a into b, 3 into 7. Now 100 square means 1, 2, 3, 4, because 2 0, that's why 4 0 will form. And 3 plus 7 means 10. 10 into 100, 10 into 100, and 3 into 7, 21. Therefore, this one will be 1021. Now, if we add, then 1, 2, 0, 1, 1. That means if we add, then we will get this one, our answer. Next, question number 95 into 96. You can write 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 6 also. Number 2, 95 into 96. You can write 90 plus 5, 90 plus 6 also. Or you can write 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 6. Then x minus a into x minus b. We can use x minus a into x minus b. Then what happened? X square minus a minus b. A plus b into x plus a into b. This one identity we can use. That's why 100 whole square minus 5 plus 6 into 100 plus 5 into 6. That's why 100 whole square means this one 10,000 minus 5 plus 6, 11. 11 into 100, 1100 plus 5 6 are 30. First we have to add 10030 minus 1100. Now if we subtract, then 0, 3, 10 minus 1 means 9, and this one 9, 9 minus 1 means 8, 8930. This is the answer. And question number 3, here 104 into 96. This one you can do 100 plus 4 into 100 minus 4. That means a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, a square minus b square. A means 100, b means 4. Therefore, 100 square means 10,000 minus 4 square means 16. If we subtract 16, then 4 will come. 9 minus 1 means 8. This one 9, 9. That means our answer will be 9984. This one our answer. This way we can solve question number 1 and 2. Hope you will understand this one sum 1 and 2. All of you remember the identities. Then you can easily simplify, evaluate the product.